This just in, CarMax just sounded the alarm, warning that tariffs on new cars and parts are already pushing up used car prices and reconditioning costs. With 1.7 million repossessions last year and used car prices now averaging over 31.6, should you hit the pause button on your next purchase or pivot smarter? Stick around, I'm going to break down what this means for you and how to find deals despite these soaring prices. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. You've likely seen the flashy headlines. CarMax issues huge market warning. But what's really going on behind the scenes? In this video, I'm going to walk you through current numbers, real-world signals from CarMax, and critically, what you should do to avoid overpaying in 2025. Recent CarMax earnings revealed some important trends. Their profit per share slipped below expectations, and their stock dropped hard. Why? Because tariffs hitting new car parts are now squeezing used vehicle margins, repairs, and sales prices. And when a nationwide retailer like CarMax signals trouble, that ripple ends up in your wallet and fast. Here's what the data shows. Average used vehicle sales prices jumped to over 31.6. That's up year over year for the first time in over a year. CarMax's used vehicle sales volume increased nearly 10% in Q1, even as their wholesale prices ticked higher. A clear sign of sustained demand coupled with rising costs. That tells me people are still buying, but everyone is paying more to do it. If you're shopping for a car, here's what you need to understand. Number one, expect higher prices. Used SUVs and trucks, they'll feel the pinch more because their parts and repair costs are tariff heavy. Expect slower turnaround times. Tariff inflated costs mean fewer cars get reconditioned quickly, creating a supply bottleneck. This isn't just theory. These are current trends shaping every deal on the lot today. Now, some vehicle types are feeling it more than others. Large SUVs and full-size pickup trucks. High cost parts plus reconditioning equals bigger markups. You guessed it. Used EVs. CarMax is adding battery health assessments, but resale values are squeezed. High cost trucks. CarMax increased its reserves for loan losses. Another sign that buyers are struggling with bigger payments. If a dealer suggests MSRP on a popular SUV, you should know exactly why they're asking for more. To dodge these rising costs, instead of a big SUV, maybe go for a mid-size option like the Toyota RAV4, Subaru Crosstrek, or Hyundai Tucson. You get different features, maybe better features, reliable parts, and fewer tariff risks. If you're considering going into a used EV, consider high volume models like the Tesla Model 3 or the Y, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 for improved longevity and better deals. You can also swap out a large truck for a Ford Maverick, for example, or a Hyundai Santa Cruz or a Chevy Trailblazer, smaller, efficient, and less affected by parts tariffs. These vehicles still deliver great utility while bypassing inflated costs. Here's a 4-step game plan every buyer should use right now. Number one, ask dealers where the car was built. Tariff zones matter. Number two, request bundle discounts. Try combining parts credits, finance incentives, and employee pricing together. Look for clean, low-mile examples of domestically built used models. They're less likely to carry hidden markup baggage. And four, use invoice price tools like quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free site. That way you know what dealers paid and can negotiate confidently even as prices shift. To wrap this up, CarMax's warning is not hype. It is a real shift in used car economics, but you can use this smartly. Avoid tariff-heavy models, push for better deals, and know true dealer pricing. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com. It's fast, free, and shows dealer invoice prices so you never overpay. It's all based on zip code. You can also find a direct link below this video. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe. We've been uploading new videos every week since 2012, almost daily the last couple of years. We could really use your support. Until I see you next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.